One downside of holiday decor is it can be bulky and hard to store or hard to assemble. These honeycomb paper Christmas trees, they're magnetic, they're instant setup, they fold flat for storage, and they come in all these beautiful natural colors. They have a little bit of a glitter edge on the side, reusable, space-saving, and really effortless. And I just think they're so fun from every angle. You can see all the different color variety. They're in a neutral palette. This is 3 different sets here. There's a natural one, a pastel, and the pink and gold. I love the different varieties of the shapes, the height differences, the size and width differences. All that gives texture, but the similar silhouette works together really well from every angle, and it's so easy to set up. The height variety is from 6 inches up to 12 inches, and the width variety is from 4 inches to 7 inches. They all fit on my mantle fine, and I was able to just put them layered and give that visual interest. And I love how they look so great grouped together in a clump like our dining table, or sort of lined up spaced down our mantle. They just add a great holiday centerpiece and a holiday accent piece. And I like that foldable honeycomb accordion design, reusable thick paper. It's thicker than regular paper, but not so thick of cardstock, somewhere in between, but quite durable. You can pick them up, move them around, just don't like sit on them or anything. And the best part, at the end of the season, they literally fold so flat. You could just stack them up in one large Ziploc bag. They'll take up no storage space virtually. And if you're deciding between the two, the natural has more of that boho, the warm tones with the oranges and tans and greens, and the pastel integrates the blue, more of a cool tone. I like them both. I would say the cool tone has a little bit more of a modern vibe to me. And for size, this one's 12 by 7 inches, 10 by 6, 10 by 5, 8 by 5. And these are more your 10 inches high by 4 inches wide, a little bit more narrow in profile. They're more like 4 or 5 inches wide. So if size is a restriction for you, sometimes it's helpful to know. These are so pretty in person though. And a super quick look at assembly. They all come flat packed like this. You can see the gold on the edging, thinner than like my finger, and they have 1, 2, or 3 magnets on them. That's the best part. So you literally unfold them and just connect the magnet pieces together. You can hear a snap as they come together, and they stay perfectly. I've had no issues with them coming apart. And then you've got your beautiful honeycomb all the way around. You can fiddle with it if you want, but you really don't have to. They're pretty much that easy and good to go. When you're done, you just do the opposite. Disconnect the magnets, put them flat, store them in the bag, and they're really easy to set up a year and year over and over again. Couldn't be simpler, just rinse and repeat. So I guess in all, my favorite things, I love the assorted natural colors. I love the magnetic assembly, so quick, so easy to put up and take down. That foldable accordion honeycomb design, compact but beautiful. I love reusable paper materials and so versatile use. They look great on our table, our mantle, and our dresser. I think they're elegant. I love the reusable, incredibly easy. If you want holiday decor that's festive without taking up the storage space and beautiful, fun colors, I think this is an absolute no-brainer. Thanks to Stella for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.